A Supreme Court judge has stepped away from the high-profile defamation case involving former Jamaica College Old Boys Association President Major Basil Jarrett and JC Board Chairman Lance Hilton. Supreme Court Judge Chester Cooks has recused himself from hearing the matter, which was brought by Major Basil Jarrett. Jarrett is suing Board Chairman Lance Hilton, accusing him of leading what he describes as a deliberate campaign to damage his reputation. The dispute stems from Jarrett's objections to the board's efforts to keep former principal and former Education Minister Ruel Reid in his post after Reid was arrested on corruption charges. Crooks told the court he previously dealt with a related case involving Reid, who is now on trial for fraud. In that earlier matter, Crooks ordered that Reid stand trial, a decision Reid's legal team challenged but which was later upheld by the Judicial Review Court. The matter has been adjourned until March 12, when the court will also consider Jarrett's application to merge his claim with a separate defamation suit brought against him by several former JC board members, including Lance Hilton.